Hey YouTubers, how you doing today? This is TheElectronMan. I thought I'd do a quick little third season review on my IKON 52. I know I showed assembling it and using it. I've had a lot of questions about how do I like it and how good of a mower is it. Well, this one, she don't look brand new no more, but she definitely still runs new. Basically, the reason I brought this out was I just had to replace the second belt on it. It has 133 hours on it, by the way. So she's gotten a lot of use in the last 3 seasons, or 2 seasons going into the third season. Yeah, there's the belt failure, which really the belt's not wore. It looks like it actually broke at the where it was put together. I'm almost feeling like it's a defective belt, but you know, how you gonna prove that? So as you can see, no smoke at all, and not a drop. But anyway, there you go. How do you think I like it? I love it. I mean, if you look at the deck, I don't even have any rust yet. Of course, I do keep it in the shed, but I mean, it's holding up really well. I did have to replace the guard there. In fact, I just did that this morning. But it was only like $23. But it's my fault. I caught a tree and ripped the old one off. But that was about a 5-minute job to put one of the new ones on. And like I said, it's only like $20-something from Ariens. So that belt's kind of expensive. It's about 50 bucks, but if it'll last me a season, worth every dime. But anyway, I've been having some people ask, because I know it is that season to go buy a mower, and I could tell you this: if you're looking, I think they're still around $3,000. I think it's by far the best value for $3,000 for a Zero-Turn you can find out there. I mean, it's got the fabricated deck, Kawasaki engine. I mean, yeah, you can't go wrong. Like I said, 133 hours, and she's ticking along just fine. Anyway, have a good one out there. This is TheElectronMan. And please, if you get a chance, subscribe. I'm up to like 700 subscribers now. I'd really like to get to 1,000. Anyway, have a good day. This video was produced by me, TheElectronMan. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day.